And welcome to Wyee Point. We're going to have a quick flick under here. This is where I caught my big brim a couple of months ago. We're still attacking with the cicadas. I got my BFS gear here. We're going to try some BFS stuff as well. See how we go with that. Like I said, I'm only new to the BFS style fishing, so it is going to be a learning curve for me. But in saying that, we'll start off with the cicada. Brand new cicada, because the other one, the wing had broken. So when we're chasing the bass, I didn't even realise until just now. I had to tie in a new leader as well. So it's going to be a bit dicey at the start here. Just got to try and... Wow. When I was tying on that leader, I must have really... There we go. So let's get some gompers in. But for now, I don't know what the weight of this splash prawn is, so should be okay. Just to do some, I'm just learning the BFS system, so I'm not very confident with that. So what I want to do is alternate, cast cicada into the bank, splash prawn along the bank, and we'll see what happens. So my idea is, because the cicada, they will hit it when it's stationary. So my idea is throw the cicada, do a bit of a vibration wiggle, throw it into the bank, like so. So we're going to have the vibration wiggle on the way out. I think there's weed around that. I'll just let that sit there. Oh, it's sitting there. Oh, there, that's what I mean by letting it sit there. He's not very big, but it's a little brimbo. That's what I mean, just let it sit there. Oh, there's a big stingray down there too. I don't know if you guys can see that, there's a little stingray just coming straight underneath my kayak. I'll stay where I am. I'm not going to move in the slightest. Let's see if he comes under. Don't know if you guys can see that. I'm hoping that's visible. It went quiet for a second there, so... Oh. He's a bit bigger model. Oh, I've got my BFS set up out too. I was just trying it behind me. This is going to cause major issues here. I'm wrapped in my own line. He's a good model. Gonna have to try and net it backwards. I've only just got him. Oh, What a nice brim. What a nice brim. It's definitely going to be the biggest of the day. And that came out pretty easy, to be honest. We'll give him a measure. So what's he going? Oh. Fan out, he's 29.5 feed. Look, you could say 30. Technically 29.5, but we could say 30, and that wasn't a very graceful dismount, was it? The problem with along some of this spot here, you get your dogs come into the water to swim. Oh, oh yeah. There's one following it. There's one following it. Come on, bite the other side of the cicada. Double brimbo hook up on a cicada. Oh, he's just in the side of the gill. That's a lucky catch. I had to keep pressure to him, otherwise he would have come off, I think. Let's have a look, see how hard that is to get out. Oh yeah, that's a lucky catch. He's probably only going 15. Yeah, somewhere around that 15. Because there's no pressure on accuracy. Let's see. I can't just... Oh yeah. BFS. Our first decent quality brim on a BFS. That's a nice quality brim on a BFS. Well, I've seen it have a go for the cicada. I'm like, he got hooked, so I doubt he'll go back. So I threw a different lure out on the BFS, and well, there's my first brimbo on a BFS setup. I caught a couple of flathead when I was learning to use it. Well, still learning. Let's whack him up here. Now, these guys usually don't like to come quietly when it's on the measure mat. So yeah, he's a bit smaller. So he's 27 centimetres, so 3 centimetres smaller. There you go, buddy. Oh, and he was keen. That's not an ideal cast, but there is weed beds. As we come around this corner, there's a really high weed bed growth. So more like little shrubs in the water. They come up to the surface. So even if it's like a metre deep, and you've got all those weed beds there, you can surface fish them too. Oh, there we go. Another little hit. Another little hit. Another little hit. And oh, are we on? Yep. Oh, he's quick. Oh. Get out of the weed. Oh, he's a bit bigger than I thought. I thought he's only like a 15. He's going 20. Another nice little brimbo. He's definitely going 20. Get out of here. In the eye socket. Ouch. That'll make your eyes water. He wasn't that hooked in that one. But this one here. Oh, well, really, at the end of the day, I think I was lucky to get him too. It was twisted in his mouth. It was hooked twice. But yeah, I think I'm lucky to get him too. So he's gone 20 something. Get a little bit of water on that board. He's not going to want to sit here. He's slightly smaller than the other one. So where the other one was like 27.5, that's 27 and a quarter. Oh, off it goes. Nice little splasho on the release. I hope he didn't wet my camera. No. Alright. Is there a second one? Oh, he's a bit bigger than I thought. He's a bit bigger than I thought, everybody. He's going to try and run me into all the weeds. Oh, yep, there he goes. Oof. Now, this is the same drag setting as before. I've had to wind. I've had to pedal backwards. Wow. I'm pedaling. I'm pedaling just to keep it from not dragging and. Oh, I just felt a hook. Oh, he's a big guy. Oh, there's the fish of the day. That has to be the fish of the day. Yes. Oh. Oh, can you tell I'm pumped? Yeah, he was well hooked. I did feel like a hook was slipping though. But this is up here. This is up with one of my biggest. I said he was well over 30. He's 30. Is that 2, 4, 6? He's nearly 38. Like if I really stretch it, he's around 38. I'll get a quick photo of him. Right. One last look at him for the camera. It's very rare I do this too. He's a big, thick boy. My camera battery's about to run out too. Let's there he goes. I don't know what that is, but something, it was chasing it hard. It was chasing it hard. What is it? Oh, it's a little brim. He was just absolutely monstering it. He came out hard for it, real hard. Must be hungry. He was chasing that for ages. Come on, little fella. Alright, he's only 10, but he came out of it smoking hot. said, only you learn to use the bait cast. Oh. Yep. Yep. It's coming out. That's... Oh, he's another nice brim. He's another nice brim on the bait caster. Oh, this is good fun, I tell you what. Definitely hooked in well. We'll give it a bit of a measure. So what are we going today? Did you crack 30? Oh, 4. You could... Well, he's a solid 29. He's probably a hair off. He's a millimetre or so off 30. If I, like I said, if I squeeze his tail together, he would have hit 30. But we'll call it 29. But oh, still good fun. Yep. Yep. It's not that big. But yep. All day. Oh, and he's come off. And he came off. He's only small. Oh, shit. He's only a small tiker, but oh well. It's BFS lark. It's good. I think I'm going to be doing a lot of this in the winter for salmon. I think salmon would be the go. This lightweight gear for salmon. I'll try and jig this one backwards. Yeah, that ain't happening. Oh, he just came out of nowhere and smacked it. Oh God, this is good fun. Oh, I'm stuck in weed. He's pulling me to the weed. He's not that big. Just came out of nowhere and smacked it. Yeah, he ain't getting off. He ain't getting off. Oh. He just came out of nowhere and smacked that. He's only a baby. Alrighty. Here's the sit wrap. There is a nice big storm on its way here. It's about to pour down with rain. I'm going to try and head back in and at least minimise the amount that I get wet. I do have wet weather gear, but I was tossing up whether to come in anyway. And I was going to come back and just throw in here, but looking at how much rain's coming, and I checked the bomb, it looks like it's heavy rain. So we're just gonna put our tail between our legs and head home. And what a good session it was. Cicada was firing. Got some nice big brim on the cicada. And then somewhere around here, going back the other way, I had the BFS out, and oh wow. Wasn't that great? It's a Hick 50. This brand, it's an Develio Hick 50. There's different brands. Acura is the actual proper one. It's pretty cool. Purple knob, 7:1 ratio. Hyperdrive magnetic brake system. I quite like it, and the rod is a star something, X W-WXI. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it is a 5.1 ultralight carbon, solid carbon, and it's rated for PE 0.2 to 0.8. Now I'm running 6 pound Kariki braid from Shimano, and I always run a 6 pound leader, so it's the same line and everything that I use on my Stratic combo. So that's what I've been using, and the lure today I was using was the MND splash prawn on the BFS. So on this guy here, so there you go. So I'm still trawling the splash prawn, you never know. And then the Stratic with running the Insight Finesse Explorer, which is a 1 to 2 kilo. And the lure is using the Proficient Matte Black. Again, changing those hooks out to Gamma hooks and the Atomic Assist hooks. Wonderful. Now the splash prawn, I'm thinking to changing out the back hook on that to a assist hook. I just don't know yet. I reckon you'd get probably maybe a few more smaller fish with the splash prawn, but the brim that it caught today were pretty small, so I guess it's hit and miss. I'm kind of kicking myself that I didn't actually use that more in the morning when I was chasing bass, the BFS, because that's what I really wanted it for, like smaller creeky areas and stuff like that. And this summer I should have been using it, but I was just having so much fun with my ultralight that I forgot to go BFS. So you might see more of that in the future. I might do a BFS only video, seeing what I can get BFS only. Alright, that would be it from me. If I catch anything else, I'll put it on the back of this. But have a look at that. That rain is a-coming. So I'm glad I went against the wind this morning, because now I can go with it. I might do a couple of quick sneaky casts around the corner here on my way back. But yeah, so hopefully if I catch anything else, I'll be at the end of this as a bonus footage. And have a good day.